Mapping services in Gurgaon have become increasingly important in today's digital age. Gurgaon, being a thriving business hub, requires accurate and up-to-date mapping services to support various industries such as real estate, logistics, transportation, and urban planning. With rapid urbanization and the constant need for expansion and development, mapping services play a crucial role in providing accurate geospatial data for effective decision-making. Gurgaon's dynamic landscape demands mapping services that are not only accurate but also efficient. Companies offering mapping services in Gurgaon need to have a deep understanding of the city's infrastructure, road networks, landmarks, and other geographical features. This knowledge enables them to create detailed and precise maps that cater to the specific needs of businesses and individuals alike. One important aspect of mapping services in Gurgaon is the integration of SCON design. SCON design refers to the creation of spatial content objects network, which involves the representation of various spatial objects such as buildings, roads, parks, and landmarks in a digital format. This integration allows for the creation of interactive and user-friendly maps that provide detailed information about the surroundings. Mapping services in Gurgaon also play a crucial role in urban planning and development. With the rapid growth of the city, it is essential to have accurate maps that can be used for future projections and infrastructure planning. These maps help in identifying potential areas for development, determining land use patterns, and assessing the impact of new projects on the existing infrastructure. Moreover, mapping services in Gurgaon are vital for businesses operating in the city. Accurate maps help businesses in locating their target audience, identifying potential business locations, and planning efficient delivery routes. The significance of Gurgaon's mapping services in the modern digital age is growing. Because it is a bustling commercial center, the real estate, logistics, transportation, and urban planning sectors in Gurgaon need access to reliable and current mapping services. As cities continue to grow at an unprecedented rate, the availability of reliable geospatial data for informed decision-making is more important than ever. Due to the ever-changing nature of the city of Gurgaon, reliable and fast mapping services are essential. Businesses that provide mapping services in Gurgaon should be well-versed with the area's buildings, roads, and landmarks. They can use this information to make exact maps that meet the demands of businesses and individuals. Integration of SCON design is a key feature of Gurgaon's mapping services. The term SCON design is shorthand for Spatial Content Objects Network Design, which is the process of digitally representing real-world spatial objects like buildings, roads, parks, and landmarks. The integration enables the development of dynamic, user-friendly maps rich with contextual detail. Gurgaon's urban planners and developers rely heavily on mapping services. Due to the city's explosive growth, up-to-date maps for use in design